heard that people hang out at Walmart.
Why?
I don't know.
What is Walmart? I have a license, but not with me.
Oh my God.
Can we give you, do you want gum? Do we charge to check out the brakes squeaking?
No, ma'am.
We normally charge, but you sound hot, so I'll give it to you for free.
I'm happy I'm not from Brooklyn or the Bronx or these places.
I'm sweating, and when I sweat, I get pissed off. I'm freaking menopausal. Damn it, open the door. Girls, come here, please.
Paris? Tourette syndrome where you go like this?
On occasion, yeah.
I think it's cute. But I already want to punch the I haven't even stepped out of the damn bus. These buses are taking forever. Yo, will you take some of these kids to school? Oh my God. It went on my face!
Being an astrologist psychic is a very serious thing. So you girls feel that you have a little experience?
Mm-hmm. My dogs are psychic too.
Scare you?
No.
No?
Is there some bitches in here?
A Toyota Camry is there in the front. That's coming in for an oil change.
What?
Being a psychic is a very serious thing. And it's not for jokes.
Don't you feel like everyone would be more open if they were naked? But
Whoa! Whoa, whoa!
sorry.
Cannot do that. It's not professional at all.
What's professional?